Passengers commenced boarding the Berlin Ramelau Ferry at Mahata Port, Oecusse, for the scheduled journey to Dili. The boarding group included infants, elderly travelers, young women, and men, all preparing for the voyage ahead. Several children who had been selling local fruits and snacks prior to departure also boarded, adding to the vibrant atmosphere on the ferry. As the ferry slowly departed, the coastline gradually disappeared from view, and daylight began to fade, casting a serene glow over the surrounding waters. The crew assisted passengers in settling into their seats, ensuring comfort and safety as the journey commenced. To enhance the onboard experience, the Starlink Mini Portable, using a power bank, was activated to provide free Wi-Fi access. Passengers were soon enjoying seamless connectivity, streaming videos, browsing social media, and engaging in online games according to individual preferences. Throughout the journey, the high-speed Starlink Mini Portable Internet ensured that no passenger experienced boredom. Families watched sunrise from the deck, while children played games and shared content with one another. The combination of calm sea views and continuous connectivity created a relaxed and enjoyable environment, allowing everyone to feel engaged and connected despite being on the open water. By 4 a.m., the ferry approached Dili port, with passengers disembarking in high spirits. Women, men, and children stepped off the ferry feeling content and refreshed, having enjoyed a comfortable and engaging journey. We sincerely acknowledge VORAKAI LDA for providing free, high-speed Starlink Mini Portable Internet, which greatly enhanced the onboard experience. Their support ensured that all passengers remained fully connected, satisfied, and engaged throughout the voyage, demonstrating the positive impact of modern connectivity in enhancing passenger comfort and experience.